Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul.
In this episode, we are finally leaving the harbor after almost 4 months, and it's not going as expected. We calibrate our new autopilot and we drop our hook on the other side of the bay, back on the anchor again.
I'm feeling the pain. Ain't that a shame? Oh, give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
There's water coming. Smoky and the bandits. Michael's taking the lines. There's like no wind, so this is perfect. Always nervous first times.
Got a lot of different lines in different ways. Allá la horca yesterday, breaking the rudder. Oh no!
You?
I mean, horca. Oh shit! Got me on here. Girl. I got this line here, but I want it to follow to the prop. This line. Just pull it up around over there. You can't get it, you have to just pull it up around. There you go. Up. Good.
Okay.
Up. Yeah? And put the camera down.
Is hij aan de voorkant alles los? Okay, here we go.
Go the other way.
Is that what he's doing?
Turn the other way, put the camera down. Go slow.
Sorry, it didn't do that way.
Do I have to do it?
Yeah.
Because you're too busy with the camera. Sorry. Sometimes you gotta make decisions, and one of them is not the camera. Other way, come on, girl. There we go. There we go.
Forward to the left.
it like this.
Yeah. Watch out.
Yeah, nothing I can do. There we go. We're good. We're good. Did you not have the wheel over before you took off?
Yeah.
You didn't have enough speed. There we go. There we go. What the fuck is going on? Why aren't you steering normal?
By Alcadesa Marina.
Out.
Out.
High five.
Bam. Mooie catch.
Ja, wauw.
Een beetje groter als die van ons.
We need some friends with that one.
Oh, we can anchor next to it. Getting his lines in.
Yeah.
Michael getting his lines in. Getting all the fenders away. To find a spot where we can calibrate the autopilot. So we need some space. Shall I go towards the middle, kind of?
Yeah, I'd just say go ahead and try and put it on, put auto, not see if it goes.
Just try it. Auto. It's looking like it's holding.
Count for compass deviation. Each 360-degree circle should take no less than 2 minutes. Setup. Autopilot calibration. Commissioning. You already did the dockside wizard.
Mm-hmm. A line compass.
Align compass. I got nothing here for compass switch. Okay, steer the boat on a steady course.
Yeah.
Press start. Speed okay. Task complete. Continue. Alright, is that it? I got no other wizard.
You were telling about
Compass swing, but I don't see it here.
but maybe just check what the compass does when we turning around. Shall I do that?
Hang on a second, let me go back then.
Or if
So
it's
now that he's different than what that one's reading. That is so good. I shouldn't have done that. Oh, because it's on true. And that's probably on magnetic. No, it's better than true.
just want to take a look if it doesn't jump when it's just slowing.
This one and that one aren't reading the same. What's that one reading?
18, 20, 27, 36.
Okay, now these are getting close to being the same again. But now
There's always a delay on the iPad, huh? Like the other one was making jumps like 90 degrees.
This isn't doing that. Tell me when here it says south.
With the heading?
The compass.
South.
Perfect. Tell me when it says left.
Keep turning.
Autopilot is successfully detected and compensated. Okay, 12 degrees. Okay. So it's already done it. So it does it automatically in the background and constantly does it on this one.
Okay. West.
Perfect.
Anchor here.
Yep.
Cheers.
Cheers.
First time, feet in the water.
Yep.
And?
It's
Frio?
It's no frio y no calor.
Color is
Caliente.
verde.
It's chilly, we could say. But my feet didn't turn blue.
Doing the pre-dishes. Get some beans. We can make farts for Steve.
Yeah. We're just filling up the tank for you, Steve. We're gonna sound like an orchestra.
And we have to get used to the wiggling again.
Yeah.
Get our sea legs back.
That truth, really. I mean, except for about 2 days, we haven't sailed at all in 6 months.
So here's Pulmones.
Salmones.
Oops. Get the sea legs back.
Yeah.
The rock. Rock is behind the sail. There's the rock. Sing.
Rock, 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 Gibraltar.
And the first sunset without any mast in front of it.
First sunset on Anchorage.
Yeah. There's Gibraltar and Lavinia.
Sunset.
Sunset.
Pizza Palmas.
Bye, son.